Hey everyone, just wanted to do a little quick video, update everyone where I've been, kind of what's going on with the channel. So I've been gone for 8 months from YouTube, and in content sense, that's pretty much an eternity. So yeah, I'm just coming back to give you guys a little update and to let you know that I'm back, and I think I'm ready to start doing this YouTube seriously. In the last video, I had showed you guys a storage unit that I was going to be storing and working on the car over the winter. And that's kind of where the issue began, is with the storage unit, because I thought I needed a huge, cool, nice looking space to record videos, and within weeks I found out that that storage unit wasn't going to do nothing but, I mean, make me broke, honestly, but also take motivation away from me to do the things that I wanted to do to the car. So I won't get any more into that. Just kind of want to more or less talk about the future and what I want to do with the channel. I think that I'd like to build a small community of people who can share knowledge and experience, and just a safe community for people to build on their cars, not too opinionated. I just want to create a channel where people can come in and enjoy, some content, and maybe learn a thing or two, or possibly share some information that I don't even know. I do have some future things planned with Jared. Hopefully we got some projects we can do and work on together, so that way we're both on the channel. I mean, doing YouTube in general isn't an easy thing to take on. I'm not a good video editor. I'm not a good filmer. I don't write out scripts so that I know what I'm supposed to say. So you'll just have to bear with me on that until I get some of that figured out and my editing a little bit better. I've already recorded several videos, but I'm going to be re-recording a video on the problems with the Jetta and just kind of the plan, not necessarily a strict plan of where I'm going with it, but kind of the idea. Yeah, and I hope to see you guys around and stick along for that. But yeah, I appreciate everybody that's followed the Instagram and followed the YouTube. I can't be more thankful enough for the support that I have gotten from friends and family on this. It's just something that I'm going to have to do, and not be so anxious and timid about what people think of me or my car or my content. So yeah, I think that's it for this one. It should be a short little video. Yeah, I do apologize again for keeping you guys waiting. And that'll be it. Have a good one, y'all.